Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different settings and tweaks we need to make. So first things first, head over to settings. So click in the search, type in settings, and then open up settings. Now on the left hand side, we've got a bunch of tabs. Click onto the gaming tab. And now on the right hand side, we want to go ahead and turn on the game mode. So go ahead and click on game mode. And now we want to go ahead and enable that. So basically what this does, this helps Windows focus system resources on your game, and it's going to prioritize your game and reduces background activity. Now still staying inside of settings, we want to go back to home here and then click onto systems tab. And then on the right, we need to find display. So click onto display. Scroll down and click onto graphics, so under related settings, graphics. And now where it says advanced graphics settings, click onto that. And now under that, it has hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So you want to go ahead and enable this. Now we want to go ahead and restart your PC for this change to take effect. So go ahead and enable that. Also, if you're playing Windows games, you want to go ahead and enable this too. So optimizations for Windows games. So reduces latency and use advanced features in compatible games by using flip presentation model. So go ahead and enable that only if you're using Windows games. Okay, so the next thing we can do is set power mode to best performance. So this is going to ensure your PC runs at maximum power. So stay in settings. We want to go into system. And on the right, we want to find power and battery. So here it is here. Now, under power mode, we want to go ahead and make sure both of these are selected to best performance, like I've got it on my machine here. Next setting to tweak is to come into the gaming tab again. And on the right hand side, we've got the game bar. So we click onto game bar. Now we want to go ahead and turn this off. So if you're not using the game bar, go ahead and disable these two. Now, next setting is to go ahead and enable high performance graphics for a game. So we need to come into system and then on the right, select display and then come back down to graphics, click into graphics. Now on the right hand side, we want to go ahead and find your game. So go ahead and find your game, click options and then choose high performance. So I'll come down and choose my game here. So risk. Now where it says GPU preference, I want to go ahead and set this to high performance. NVIDIA GeForce, this is my graphics card. Make sure it isn't on power saving because you're not going to get the best performance. Or you can do let Windows decide, but I'm going to choose high performance and choose my graphics card on my laptop. Now the next thing we can do is set Windows to best performance. So to do this, go ahead on search, type in advanced system settings and click into it. Then we want to go ahead and view advanced system settings. Now, if you can't find it here, that's okay. Go ahead and type it in search, view advanced system settings. And now system properties should appear like so. So from here, we want to go ahead and click onto performance. So it says visual effects, processor, scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Click into settings here. Now here, we want to go ahead and click on adjust for best performance, not appearance, adjust for best performance. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on apply and then OK. So what this basically does is going to disable visual effects, which can improve your gaming performance. Now the last thing what we can try is disable startup apps. So right click on your Windows key, get in the task manager, and now you should find on the left hand side startup apps. It's going to look like this. So startup apps. And now we want to go ahead and disable all these startup apps. So basically, yeah, right click and right click them. So where it says enabled, I'm going to go ahead and disable and just go through the list and disable all your startup apps because we don't need them running in the background while you're playing your games.